If your iPhone got stuck with the volume up button constantly triggering after installing the iOS 27 beta, this video will help you fix it. So, I tried several methods. First, I attempted to restore the iPhone by connecting it to my Mac, but that didn't work. So, I couldn't even boot the phone normally because it would launch into recovery mode every time, showing the screen telling me to connect the iPhone to a Mac. Even after connecting it, I wasn't able to restore the device to factory settings. I then downloaded an app called Free2Tools, and it's free and available for macOS, Windows and Linux. First, I use it to force the iPhone out of recovery mode. Then I downloaded and reinstalled the iOS 27 beta, but the problem was still there. In the end, I downloaded the last public version of iOS 26, and before proceeding, I made sure all my photos were synced to iCloud. I had to sign out of my iCloud account and erase all data from the device in order to install the previous version of iOS. And after installing iOS 26 using the app, the problem completely disappeared. But make sure you don't restore the iPhone to 27 beta because the problem will appear again. What's interesting is that even after restoring my backup, the volume button issue came back. The problem only disappeared after I completely erased the device and installed iOS 26.5.1 from scratch. Let me know in the comments if you experience a similar issue or if you've run into any other problems with the iOS 27 beta. So I hope this video helped you and have a nice day.